Fire didn't just keep humans alive, it upgraded the human brain. Cooking, storytelling, science, all started with one spark. This isn't about survival. This is how fire made us smart. Before smartphones, before cities, before language even existed, there was fire. And no, fire wasn't just about staying warm or scaring off predators. Fire straight up hacked the human brain. This is the story of how flames didn't just help humans survive, they helped humans think. For most of human history, nighttime was terrifying. The dark meant danger. Predators ruled. Cold drained energy. Fear controlled everything. Early humans lived fast, slept early, and reacted on instinct. Then, fire showed up. And suddenly, the night didn't win anymore. Fire pushed back the darkness. For the first time ever, humans stayed awake after sunset, and that changed everything. People sat around the flames. They watched the fire move. They talked. They listened. They remembered. This wasn't just chilling by the fire. This was the beginning of social intelligence. Scientists believe these extra nighttime hours were massive for brain development. Fire created a shared space, a place for bonding, storytelling, planning, and learning. Basically, fire created the first classroom. But the real game changer wasn't warmth, it was cooking. Raw food is brutal on the body, hard to chew, hard to digest, low energy return. Cooking flipped the script. Fire broke food down before it ever hit the stomach. More calories, less effort, and that extra energy went straight to the brain. The human brain is insanely expensive. It eats up around 20% of our total energy. Without cooked food, it never would have grown this big. Fire didn't just feed humans. Fire fed intelligence. As brains got bigger, bodies started changing. Teeth shrank, jaws weakened, guts got shorter. Fire took over digestion. Humans basically outsourced survival work to flames and used the saved energy to upgrade thinking. This wasn't random evolution. It was a partnership. Humans protected fire. Fire upgraded humans. Fire also taught something huge: cause and effect. Put wood here, fire appears. Add air, it grows. Remove fuel, it dies. That's not instinct. That's early science. Fire trained the human brain to predict outcomes, test ideas, and control systems. It introduced humans to planning instead of reacting. That mindset became the foundation of technology. Fire was humanity's first teacher. Now picture this: a cave, dark walls, firelight flickering, shadows move, shapes dance. Static images come alive. Many researchers think firelight sparked imagination itself. It turned marks into symbols, stories into meaning, fear into curiosity. This might be where art was born, where rituals started, where spirituality showed up. Fire didn't just light caves, it lit human creativity. Fire also changed social structure. Someone had to protect it. Someone had to carry it. Someone had to pass the knowledge on. Fire forced cooperation. That led to teaching, leadership, and memory across generations. The firekeeper wasn't just guarding flames. They were guarding survival and knowledge. This is how culture started scaling. With fire, humans went everywhere. Cold regions, dense forests, harsh climates. Fire let humans adapt faster than biology ever could. It wasn't evolution anymore. It was portable intelligence. And here's the wild part: fire never left. Engines burn fuel. Power plants run on heat. Industry still lives on controlled flames. Modern civilization, still fire-powered. We just hide it better now. Our brains evolved with fire. Our societies formed around it. Fire is the silent ancestor of human intelligence. So when archaeologists dig up ash layers, burned bones, and ancient hearths, they're not just finding survival tools. They're uncovering the moment humans stopped reacting to the world and started understanding it. Fire didn't just help humans live longer, it taught us how to imagine tomorrow. And every thought you have today still carries a spark from that first flame.